It's the leading cause of heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, blindness, even amputation. But did you know that more Americans fear being bit by a shark than getting diabetes? A recent poll conducted by the American Diabetes Association showed only a mere 3% of people surveyed worry about diabetes. Dr. Babak Pazuki says this is troubling to him. He says people are not taking diabetes as seriously as they should.
So the statistics are tremendous. They're really huge. And so we need to know that we are all at risk.
The survey also says people worry more about getting killed in a plane crash and being hit by lightning than they do about getting diabetes. Nancy Johnson lives with diabetes.
We have millions of people that do have the disease, and it just really surprises me that they fear other things more than they do getting the diabetes.
The ADA says the number of people diagnosed with diabetes is growing at an alarming rate. Nearly 24 million children and adults now have diabetes, and another 57 million Americans are at risk of getting the most common type of diabetes, type 2. Nearly 25% of people who have diabetes don't even know it.
Fortunately or unfortunately, diabetes doesn't hurt. It doesn't cause pain until very late stages or advanced stages of the condition. So people try to ignore it. The number 2 reason is probably denial. So there are a number of people who have diabetes and they don't know it, or they know it and they disregard it. Why? Because they know somebody in the family or in the friends or people who they know has had diabetes, and then they know how they struggle with management of the disease. And therefore they go into denial because they don't want to know that they have diabetes.
Pazuki says one reason people don't want to know if they have diabetes is economics. He says many can't afford the insurance premiums they will face once they are diagnosed with it.
Once you have diabetes, first of all, your insurance premium will really go up. And also the medications are very, very expensive, some of the medications that are used for diabetes. And again, diabetes goes along other conditions that require medication.
Luckily, there are steps people can take to manage the disease if they have it, or reduce their chance of getting it if they don't.
It's just giving them the tools and the power to control diabetes rather than having diabetes control them.
And the least expensive way to manage or prevent getting type 2 diabetes is simply changing a few lifestyle habits.
Change our dietary habits, change our physical activity. If we can do even little things to increase our physical activity just a little, it can have a tremendous effect on our health.
In Casper, I'm Marielle Ashley for K2 News.